Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I hope you're all having a great day, and I wanted to share with you a surprise bag that I got from a longtime friend. She's a homeschool friend, a homeschool mom. We homeschool together. Our kids are grown now. Her kids are grown and moved out of state, and so she is in the process of downsizing her home, and her husband want to sell and move closer to where her kids have relocated. So anyway, so she found some things that she thought I would like, and she took them up to Dakota's work and gave them to him to bring to me. And so I have this bag. Crinkle warning. I haven't looked through the bag yet. I can kind of see just in it that there's like several different things in there. And so I just thought I would do this little unbagging with you guys so you could see this surprise bag I got. Okay, so here's the bag. I don't know where this bag's from, but anyway, that's the big bag. And so let's get busy and see what's in this bag. Okay, so first thing I see in the bag is there is a lot of tulle. Like there's some lavender, beautiful lavender tulle. I have seen that some people have mentioned stuffing amigurumis or different things, different projects with tulle. I've never done that, but if I have an abundance of tulle here, I might would try that. Cinnamon Stitches just made this penguin blanket for her little son, and she mentioned that the company that she ordered that blanket kit from sent tulle to stuff the pieces with, and I've never done that, so I don't know how hard that is to do or if it makes it fluffy or what. So anyway, there's some white tulle, two things of white tulle. It looks like a lot of tulle there. And two things of lavender, which that lavender is beautiful. I don't really know what I would use it for at the moment. I used to make little fairy skirts for kids and stuff and sold them in my flea market booth, but no longer doing that. Okay, so I'm gonna have to lift this bag up and see what all's in here. Whoa! All I could see was a tulle, and I could see that there was some yarn in there. Another bag. Whoa! Wow. Okay, let me see something. Let me try to count. Oh gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me try and make sure that's all that's in there. Oh wow. Okay, so in this bag is this yarn bee frosting. I have never used this yarn. I've never even seen it in the store because I haven't looked for it probably. Anyway, it looks like it's a Hobby Lobby yarn bee frosting. The color name is Baltic Cream. It's definitely a bluey blue color with a hint of purple, but it is blue. Well, let's see. It says Baltic Cream, but I don't see any cream looking colors on that. It's a Hobby Lobby yarn. I'm trying to see. It's 104 yards. Anyway, so this is what it is. So I guess that would be kind of neat to do. Like if I did a baby blanket that would match these colors and then put this on the edging. Or if I did doll dresses and put that on the edging or something. I have 6 of these. So I need to figure out something to do with them. I really appreciate that. That's cool. Okay. And then there are 6 of these. This one is called Hot Berries, which is a good name for this one. I don't really get the name of the other one, but Hot Berries. It's the yarn bee frosting. These were, I don't know how old these are. I don't know if Hobby Lobby still carries these or what. These were $3.98 according to that Hobby Lobby tag. And again, this is 104 yards. So, yeah, I might make a baby blanket and a baby dress or some kind of baby outfits and trim around the edges with that. I don't know. Okay, and then this is in a Joann's bag, and we don't have Joann's here where we live. But, oh my goodness. Okay, Bernat, let me see if I can get the name of this. Bernat Boa. And there's a tag on here that says $4.49. I don't know anything about this yarn. It looks like an older type label, maybe. It looks like, I guess, I don't know if you'd call that eyelash yarn or what. I guess it would make a trim on something. They show here, like, I guess a hat made out of it. I can't imagine making a hat out of that. Anyway, so this color is a blue and green. And it doesn't have colors, it just has a dye lot. Anyway, it's blue and green in there. Real pretty. Okay, here's another one that, same thing. It is purple and pink. Yeah, I don't, oh, Dodo Bird. Is that the name of that? Let me see. Oh, this is called Peacock. And this is called Dodo Bird. You know, a flamingo with this on it would be cute, wouldn't it? Huh. I'm about to think about that. Okay, and then, oh, here's another piece of peacock. And here's another 2 balls of the dodo bird. And then, let's see, oh, there's another dodo bird. And then there are 3. There are 3 of this, oh, really gorgeous orangey brown color. Let's see if there's a name on here. Phoenix. There are 3 of these, and that is gorgeous color. Like, oh, that would be so pretty for something for the fall. I don't know what. I don't know what I would use it to make. But that is beautiful something for fall. Wow. Okay, so that is my surprise bag of craft supplies that a friend sent me. And so I appreciate that, Lolo. What fun items. It's items that I probably wouldn't have bought going into the store. You know, I would have never picked this up. But now that I have it, I think something flamingo would really be cute with this. And then yeah, peacock. If I made something with peacock colors and trimmed it with that, that would be gorgeous. And then these, whew, yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking trim on something. So I can't imagine like crocheting a whole project with that. Or it could be loom knitted with, but I don't know. Very pretty. And then all this tulle. I don't know. I might ask Cinnamon Stitches, Jennifer, what she meant by stuffing the parts with the tulle, and maybe she can do a little video on that for us or something, just to explain that a little better, because I've never done that, but I have all this tulle here that I might could try that with. And when she was talking about that, she said something so it's completely washable. Well, I do wash projects that I stuff with polyfill. So I don't know what she meant by that. Like, do you wash your projects if they're stuffed with polyfill, or do you use tulle like this? I don't know. Let me know about that. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you all my quick little surprise craft bag.